Hi, happy Christmas and New Year, and I hope to make it a nice plus one for you if you're following my sweet method and my sweet accumulator. We had a very good month in November, which we started off with just a 50 rand each ways on my selections, and the principle of it is quite easy. We start off with 3 selections a day, and you have a 1,000 rand bank. So you have a separate bank for 1,000 rand, and you put on just 50 rand on each of my 3 selections. And when you win, when the horses win and your bank goes over 1,000, then what we do then, we increase the stakes to 100 rand a bet. And we carry on doing this, and if it drops below 1,000, we go back to 50 rand. If it goes up to 2,000, then we put on 200 rand a bet. And if it goes to 3, 4, 5,000, then we put on 500 rand a bet. And what happened in November is it took a while. It took us all like 21 bet days to actually get over the hump, if you like, to start betting in 200s and 300s. But as soon as you get there, you find it quickly accumulates. And once we pass 10,000 rand in the kitty, then we bet 1,000 rand a time. And this happened in November. And the last 10 days of it, we picked up a total of 31,000 profit. Now, we took this, and I took out 21,000 of it at the end of the month, and I started December with 10,000, and I was betting 1,000 rand a horse. So you can see here at the beginning of December, we had on the first, we had the first day we had a 7-to-1 winner. Then we had a couple of days where we lost completely altogether. And then we moved down, and we see then on the 4th we had 2 winners, a 3-to-1 and a nice 11-to-1 winner. And this took us up to a nice little profit. So we're going on December the 6th, we had another winner, etc. We go down the month, and we had a lean spell on the 16th of December, or the 17th, where we didn't have any winners. 17th, 18th, 19th, we didn't have one winner. We lost 3 bets on the trot. Then picked up a little bit. Up to the 21st, and then we had a couple of days which wasn't so good. But at the end of the month, or up to the 27th, which was yesterday, our bank was up to 52,000. Now, 52,000, that is including, of course, the 31,000 that I drew out. So in real terms, we're making 21,000. If I have a look here, I'll show you exactly how much I've got this month. It says 53,000. That's including everything, and I'll roll down a bit. And we see here, 157 bets since I started in November. I've had 60 winners, which is 38%, and we've had 97 losers. Average price for my winner has been 2.95, which is great. So, end of November, or end of December, shall I say, we're not quite there yet. I've got 22,000 in the bank, and I'll be able to withdraw all of that and still leave 10,000 in the bank, because I've got 31,000-ish in it, 32,400 in it. Now, what you need to know is that we do get losing days. Now you've got to look upon this as a long-term investment. You start off with just your 1,000 rand, and once you start betting 1,000, you've got 1,000, it gets up to 2,000, and you start betting 100 rand, then 200, then 300. You've got to remember that you're actually playing with the bookie's money. And if you, as you go day by day, it drops if you lose, it goes up if you win. And we stop at 10,000 and only put 1,000 rand. So that is our base. So we start the base. January. Now, what I expect in January, a lot of people want to join me on the 1st of January. If they want to join me before, I'll give them the rest of this month at no charge. So that is just an incentive to get you going. And that what it's all about. It's good fun. Let me have a look down here. Well, that's just my subscription rate for you. Overseas clients, you can bet in the UK, and you can bet on Australia and probably other countries, because they're not exotic bets. They're straight win bets. So I do three bets a day. I don't do, if there are 2 meetings, you still only get 3 bets. I might have 1 or 2 at one meeting and 1 or 2 at the other meeting, but you only have 3 bets. What you can expect is to get the 1 bet will be what I consider a bet that'll cover your expenses for the day. I'm looking at a favourite or perhaps second favourite is going to be about 2 to 3 to 1, something like that. If that one comes in, you know you've covered your costs for the day. Now, I don't encourage you to do doubles and trebles because I don't often get 2 in the day, but when I do, that's what pushes it up to the next level. 3 a day, it hasn't happened. I think it happened once a month or so ago. I don't get 3 in a day because my second bet is normally a value bet, about 6 to 1, and my third one can be anything up to 40, 50 to 1, and I might just run it for a place. So that's basically how we do it. I'll hold your hand. I will show you how to do it. You can contact me. It's all on WhatsApp, and we run it on a day-to-day. I give you the selections the night before so that you can put it with the bookies at the best price possible. And the prices you see that I've quoted in my all my selections are prices that have been obtained by my clients in the inner circle. Now, to get in the inner circle, you have to be quite an experienced punter. You have to have bought or obtained all my videos. I've got 20 odd videos that show exactly how to make good selections on your betting. And in the inner circle, we chat a bit. They get the same selections as everyone else, but if I get information from the Cornet Speed Stable, I usually put it on there for them, and some of the members themselves get information now and again, and they'll put it up for the inner circle. But that is a separate thing. That is for people outside of the, if you like, the sweet selection method. So join me now. Let's get New Year started. We'll have some fun, and let's maintain this nice high percentage of win rate. And I look forward to seeing you and dealing with you. Please contact me and we'll take it from there. Okay. Happy New Year. Bye.